CRONOS, or as it's otherwise known by its ticker CRO, is a cryptocurrency coin developed by the mighty Crypto.com as part of its master plan to take over the crypto world. Now, is it going to be the new BNB, new Binance? Time will tell, but if it is, then it's got some good serious upside to the coin. Possibly, some say, up to 20 times. So in this video I'm going to have a look at the technical analysis to see where that price might be heading next. So looking at the weekly line chart for CRONOS, we can see that big growth, currently up 588% from going live back in July of 2019. It has been higher. It pulled back like most of the cryptos, and it's into that yellow box zone, which is a favorite area for cryptocurrency traders to buy that dip. It's using those Fibonacci's between the 61.8% and 50% line, and to 10 times 20 times this, it's got to do some serious moving from its current levels, about 0.4, but give it time. And with the Crypto.com master plan, you never know, but at the moment it looks like a possible good buy the dip opportunity in there. But use the technical analysis, use your fundamental knowledge to time that entry. So using the 4-line break chart for potential entry points to the up and the downside. Downside a bit further away at 0.358, upsides 0.516. So a couple of numbers there for you to consider. So daily high Kanashi, you can see that trend aiming downwards from sort of December of last year. And if we're focusing on those signals at the bottom there, both bullish. Volume and volatility both considerably down compared to normal. About 29% per annum on volatility, which is about half what it normally trades at. And as you can see, volume also down from those December, November highs. And onto the price, it's round about neutral in terms of the two pink line box breakout setup, and in the top half of the two standard deviation regression bands. You can see it plays quite nicely between them, but it's got sort of a weak bearish neutral feel to it at the moment. And diving into the Renko chart, use a 0.02 block size. Down the bottom, signals mixed. We've got stochastic is bearish, the DMI right at the bottom there bearish, and the regression turning bullish, so neutral there. We can see the downtrend in terms of potential targets using the Fibonacci in the much shorter term to the downside. If it can break that 0.3425 area, 0.186 is a seriously low level, and then down to 0.1, and then right to those lows at 0.02 to the upside. 38.2 at 0.57, 61.8 at 0.71, and then the highs at 0.94, and then next up 1.103. Let's now take a look at a really longer term chart to see what it has to do to be a 10 times 20 times crypto coin. Well, you can see from this monthly line chart the job it's got to do, even to get up to 5, which gives you about 12.5x return. I'm going to say anything in crypto world is possible, and if Crypto.com does take off, then yes, it could do, but it's got some serious travelling to do in the meantime. I put those Fibonacci's on there and spread them out as high as I could go. That's possible, and upsides next stop 1.149. Then, like I say, you can see those numbers up to just over 3, and then it really is into no man's land. And like I say, crypto world, anything is possible and anything can happen. So if you've got a longer term view on Crypto.com, then maybe now's the good time to be getting into it. Time to give CRONOS a technical analysis score then. Overall neutral, and I've based that really on the shorter term. I did like the weekly chart, the price consolidating in that Fibonacci range, 38% to 50%. That looks like a nice holding period for a potential bullish move, but at the moment, in the short term, neutral overall. The Heikin Ashi Renko a bit mixed, still feeling a bit weak, bearish. Needs to do a bit more to get me more bullish. Now, 4-line break numbers up the top there. We've got a bullish and a bearish on this week. A couple of numbers for you to think about. And in terms of targets, upsize 2.38 and 4.63 to 1, and downsize 2.65 and 3.31 to 1. But overall, like I say, neutral currently, based purely off the technicals. So CRONOS definitely got potential, but it's all tied into the success of Crypto.com, and at the moment they are spending like there's no tomorrow, sponsoring just about every event going, getting famous film stars to do their adverts for them. But will it pay off? Time will tell. Obviously trying to become the next Binance and get us all using cryptocurrency. So let me know in those comments where you think CRONOS and Crypto.com are going next, and join us on Discord, our free traders club as well. Links in the description below. They're all welcome, and we can talk some more about crypto world in general and CRONOS and whatever coin you would like to. So if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons, and all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.